Air power is defined by more than fighter jets. Denmark's aviation fleet includes stealth fighters, maritime patrol aircraft, transport planes, helicopters, trainers, and future drones. This is every Danish aircraft explained. First up, combat aircraft. Lockheed Martin F-35A Lightning II. Denmark's primary combat aircraft is the fifth-generation FA Lightning II from the United States. The first Danish aircraft entered service in 2021 for pilot training before arriving in Denmark during 2023. Around 21 now operate from Skridstrup Air Base, with the fleet growing to 43. Featuring stealth technology, a Mach 1.6 top speed, and advanced sensors, it will become fully operational by 2027. F-16 AMBM Fighting Falcon. Before the F-35, Denmark relied on the F-16 Fighting Falcon for over 4 decades. Entering service in 1980, it became one of the country's most recognizable military aircraft, serving in NATO missions across Europe and beyond. Danish F-16 operations officially ended in January 2026, with several aircraft transferred to Ukraine while others were sold to Argentina. Next up, maritime patrol and transport aircraft. Bombardier CL-604 Challenger. Denmark operates 4 Bombardier CL-604 Challengers, with 3 configured as multi-mission aircraft for maritime patrol, search and rescue, fisheries protection and surveillance, while 1 serves as a VIP transport. Introduced between 1998 and 2001, these aircraft are operated by Escadrille 721 from Aalborg Air Base. Their long range of around 7,400 kilometers allows them to patrol vast areas of the North Atlantic and Arctic. Lockheed Martin C-130J-30 Super Hercules. The C-130J-30 Super Hercules is Denmark's primary tactical transport aircraft. 4 aircraft entered service between 2004 and 2007 with Escadrille 721 at Aalborg Air Base. Powered by 4 Rolls-Royce turboprop engines, they carry up to 19,000 kilograms of cargo while supporting Arctic search and rescue, overseas deployments, humanitarian missions, and regular resupply flights to Greenland's remote military stations. Continuing with helicopters, Airbus AS550C2 Fennek. The AS550C2 Fennek is Denmark's light utility and observation helicopter. Introduced in 1990 and operated by Escadrille 724 at Karup Air Base, 11 remain in service. Originally equipped for anti-tank missions, the Fennek now supports reconnaissance, training, surveillance, and utility operations. It is also deployed to missions in Macedonia, Iraq, Afghanistan, and multinational exercises across Europe. Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk. The Seahawk is Denmark's primary naval helicopter, operating from either Hewitt-Felt-class frigates. 9 aircraft entered service between 2016 and 2018 with Escadrille 723. Equipped with advanced radar, dipping sonar, Hellfire missiles, and lightweight torpedoes, the Seahawk performs anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, maritime surveillance, search and rescue, and fleet protection across the North Atlantic. Leonardo AW101 Merlin Mk 512. The AW101 Merlin serves as Denmark's heavy helicopter for search and rescue and tactical transport missions. 14 aircraft operate with Escadrille 722 from Karup Air Base after entering service in 2005. Powered by 3 engines, the Merlin combines long range with all-weather capability and features, specialized radar, thermal imaging, and obstacle avoidance systems for demanding operations over land and sea. Next up, trainer aircraft. Saab MFI-17 Supporter. The Saab MFI-17 Supporter, designated the T-17 in Danish service, has trained Royal Danish Air Force pilots since 1975. Around 25 aircraft remain in service with the flying school at Karup and Aalborg. Powered by a 200-horsepower piston engine, the 2-seat trainer is used for primary flight instruction, liaison duties, and by the Baby Blue aerobatic display team. Continuing with future aircraft and NATO-operated systems, Boeing P-8A Poseidon. The Boeing P-8A Poseidon is Denmark's future maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare aircraft. In July 2026, Denmark approved the purchase of 2 aircraft to strengthen surveillance across the Baltic Sea, North Atlantic, and Arctic regions. Based on the Boeing 737 platform, the P-8A combines long-range endurance with advanced radar, acoustic sensors, sonarbuoys, and anti-submarine capabilities, eventually becoming Denmark's primary crewed maritime patrol aircraft. General Atomics MQ-9B Sky Guardian. The MQ-9B Sky Guardian will become Denmark's first long-endurance unmanned aircraft system. 4 drones were ordered in 2025, with deliveries expected between 2028 and 2029. They will operate with the reactivated 729 Squadron at Aalborg Air Base, providing Arctic surveillance, maritime patrol, intelligence gathering, and more than 24 hours of continuous endurance. Airbus A330 MRTT. Denmark is expanding its aerial refueling capability through NATO's multinational MRTT fleet. Rather than owning the aircraft directly, the country has requested access to 2 Airbus A330 MRTTs scheduled for delivery between 2028 and 2029. These aircraft provide air-to-air refueling, strategic transport, and medical evacuation, significantly extending the operational reach of Danish and Allied aircraft. RQ-4D Phoenix. Denmark also benefits from the NATO-operated RQ-4D Phoenix under the Alliance Ground Surveillance Program. This high-altitude unmanned aircraft conducts long-range intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions across Europe and surrounding regions. Flying at altitudes above 60,000 feet with exceptional endurance, it delivers real-time battlefield awareness and strategic intelligence to participating NATO member nations. Next up, Home Guard aircraft. De Havilland Canada DHC-6-300 Twin Otter. The DHC-6-300 Twin Otter entered Danish Air Force Home Guard service in early 2025, replacing the leased BN-21 Defender fleet. 2 aircraft, named Hugin and Munin, support coastal surveillance, maritime patrol, search and rescue, airport security, and police operations. Equipped with an advanced EO/IR surveillance system, they can remain airborne for more than 6 hours while operating from short and remote airstrips across Denmark.